कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. With my body, my speech, my mind or my sense organs, through my intellect, my sense of self or my natural tendencies, whatever actions I perform, all of it is towards the Supreme Being. By saying Narayanaya, I submit my offering. Om Namo Narayanaya. Kvachidath tapano paragakale purinidadhatkritavarma kamasunu yadukulamahila sutirtham samupagatosi samantapanchakakyam. Then, once during a solar eclipse, placing Kritavarma and Aniruddha in the city, surrounded by the women of Yadukula, you went to a holy site by the name of Samantapanchaka. Bahutarajanata hitaya tatra tvamapi punanvinimajyatirthatoyam dvijagana parimukta vittarashihe samamilatha kuru pandavadi mitraihe. For various kinds of well-being of the people, you too performing pujas there and taking a dip in those waters, offering donations to the groups of Dvijas, spoke to all the Kaurava and Pandava friends gathered there. Tava khalu dayita janai sameta Drupada sutatvayi gadha bhakti bhara tadudita bhavadahriti prakaraihi atimumude samamanya bhaminibhihi. Didn't the daughter of Drupada, Draupadi, who had a deep devotion for you, along with your beloved wives, with the stories of various ways in which they married you, was extremely delighted. Tadanu cha bhagavan nirikshya gopanati kutukadupagamya manayitva chiratara viraha turangarekha pashupavadhu sarasantvamanvayasi. And then, O Lord, seeing the Gopas with great joy, approaching them and honoring them, the cowherd women who were emaciated due to their long separation from you, you playfully approached them. Sapadi cha bhavadi kshanotsaveena pramushitamana hridan nitambineenam atirasa parimukta kanchulike parichaya hridyatare kuchenya laishihi. Looking at you suddenly in joy, with the sorrows of their hearts wiped away, as the beautiful women with immense delight had their upper garments slipping, you were immersed again in the familiar sight of their charming bosoms. Ripujana kalahaif punah punarme samupagatairi yati vilambana bhut iti krita parirambhane tvayidrak ati vivasha khalu radhikani lilye. Because of the conflicts with my enemies again and again, there has been a delay in meeting you once more. Thus saying, as you embraced, didn't Radhika at once, beyond her control, become immersed in you? Apagata virahavyatastadata rahasi vidhaya dadatha tattva bodham parama sukhachidatmako hamatmetyudayatu vah sphutameva chetasiti. With their pangs of separation then having been removed, you in secrecy bestowed upon them the knowledge of true realization by saying that, May it dawn in your minds that I am of the nature of the ultimate bliss of consciousness. I am the very self. Sukharasa parimishhrito viyoga kimapi pura bhavaduddhavopadeshaihi samabhavadamutah parantu tasam paramasukhaikhyamayi bhavadvichinta. A kind of separation mixed with the essence of joy was experienced by them long before upon Uddhava's preaching. But now, they experience the ultimate bliss of your mere thought. Munivaranivahaistavatha pitra durita shamaya shubhani prachyamanaihi tvayi sati kimidan shubhantarairityuruhasitairapi yajitastadasau. As the groups of sages there were then inquired by your father regarding any auspicious signs and pacification of troubles, despite laughing immensely that when you are present, where is there a chance of anything but auspiciousness, they still made him perform the appropriate rituals. Sumahati yajane vitayamane pramudita mitra jane sahaiva gopaha yadujanamahita strimasa matram bhavadanusanga rasam pureva bhejuhu. As that great yajna was being performed with the delighted groups of friends and all the gopas, the Yadavas celebrated for 3 months and experienced the pleasure of your company as they did before. Vyapagama samaye sametya radham drudhamupaguhya nirikshya vitakhedam pramudita hridayah puram prayataha pavana pureshvara pahi mangadebhyah. At the time of departure, approaching Radha, taking her in a tight embrace, and seeing her now devoid of sorrow, with a gladdened heart, you return to your city, O Lord of the city of wind. Protect me from my ailments.